everyone, welcome to our school, Modern Public School. Our day in the school starts with a morning assembly at 8:15 am. Our prayer makes the school ambience beautiful. Our assembly is a creative forum for us to participate and interact in academic and non-academic space, which includes GK questions, amazing facts, news headlines, and so many things. Our Saturday's assemblies are house-wise theme-based assemblies. Each house is given a theme or a moral which we have to present it through skit or posters, which is then presented in front of whole school. This is very interesting activity which we have to prepare along with our house teachers and learn valuable lessons and actively participate in planning the theme and skit. In our school, prayer is integrated into daily routine, our tiffin and our daily learning.
We head towards our classes by 8:45 am. We have total 8 periods followed by 2 short breaks and a lunch break in which our class teacher joins us for a lunch. Our periods also include activities, learning exercises, projects. We have a dedicated team of teachers to help us in our everyday school routine. We have well-equipped computer lab and audio-visual room to make our study fun learning. So study is not a pressure for us in this school.
When there is a time to choose a good school, we think about many aspects. But today I am extremely happy to share the most important aspect of the school, that's its facilities. There are huge buildings surrounded by natural beauty, and the classrooms are very large and airy and also well equipped with fans, lights and CCTV cameras. To keep the students healthy, the school also provides filtered drinking water, hand wash and hand sanitizers. And there is also a large playground with plenty of sport equipments and also a well-equipped computer and science lab. There is a facility for which the parents are worried about is the transportation. Our school provides a safe transportation to each and every student at a minimal charges.
Along with these, we have music period in our curriculum, as it is common knowledge that music enhances memory and help us to develop our positive attitude. Games and sports are integral part of our curriculum, where we relax and learn new techniques with great spirit and sportsmanship. Annual Sports Week is arranged every year, in which we play different games house-wise. We have total 4 houses: red house, green house, yellow house, blue house. Inauguration of Sports Week is special event for us, where we get into march past, drills, dumbbell shows and lazims. House-wise competitions are held whole year, like debate competition, quiz competition, science exhibition, maths and social studies, model exhibition and many others. House which gets maximum points becomes the winning house and gets the championship of the year.
Our annual function and Dhol Patak, these two are special attraction in the town. We celebrate different festivals with a great enthusiasm to give the knowledge to great Indian culture and traditions. So Modern Public School spins unique will of sustainable, holistic character, education, building and practical learning.
I have been in this school from 8 years. My journey is a long and a beautiful one. I remember those days when I used to get nervous, but the smiling faces of my teacher taught me how to learn and how to happy in the school, and I started enjoying coming to school. MPS taught me how to be a confident. Here, I learned to think out of classrooms. Beyond my textbooks, MPS made me develop my interest. MPS taught me how to improve our English speaking skill and also helped me to develop my stage courage. I am so grateful to MPS because there are many things taught me by MPS and it will be forever grateful to it. Gone are the days when India was only known for kings, their empire and agriculture. Now the India has a long way since 1945 and we are lucky to have been born in the day and age when India is shining. And we have all freedom to choose how we are a work, still it is not done, and we have miles to go before we sleep.